Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. So guys, welcome to day 17 of One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a 30 days program to build your own sales funnel. We have already published previous videos in this series. So if you have not watched it yet, please go and watch it because they are super important. And if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's start day number 17. So this is a simple sales funnel design which we have seen in our previous videos. Here we have one flagship framework, order form bump, OTO1, OTO2, thank you page and members area. So this is the whole design of our sales funnel. So now in flagship framework, as we have already seen, we have one sales video, then we have some offers, we have a place to enter the credit card information, then we have a place for order form bump, and then yes or no button or order button. In the OTO one also we have a sales video or sales letter, and then some offer description or information about the offers or bonuses, and then we have yes or no button. And then same in OTO2 and thank you page, and in members area we have all those pages together we can see in members area. So now once you have done with all these things, now the main thing is we need to use the plugins so that this funnel will work. So to make it work, we need to use some plugins. So which we will use in today's video or assignment. So one will be Stripe. So Stripe is nothing but it's a payment processing software. So in earlier days when Stripe was not there or other methods, if you use other methods, sometimes it takes around 2 or 3 days, maybe for processing the payment, but using Stripe, it takes maybe 1 or 2 hours to processing the payment to process the payments. So this is why ClickFunnels use the Stripe. Second, we will talk about SMTP. So SMTP is basically simple mail transfer protocol. So basically, we use this plugin to send email. So whenever someone is buying the product from you, they will receive email with the details and custom domains. So custom domains are basically the name of the domains of your choices. Suppose I want to buy some custom domain. If I want to use the custom domains, I like Mohan Sahu /clickfunnels.com, so I can use that also. So in today's video, we are going to learn all these three things. So if I go back to the sales funnel in the flagship framework, we have one place to enter the credit card information. Then we need to plug in one Stripe. We need to use the Stripe plugin here so that whenever they enter the information about their credit card, and if they press order, then the payment will be processed in our account. We also need to use here SMTP protocol to send the email to the user. Same we will use this SMTP and Stripe plugins in order from bump OTO1 and OTO2 also. In thank you page, we will only use that SMTP just to say thanks to them. And again, we will have a members area. And again, if you want to do the custom domain, you need to choose one custom domain, and we can process that too. So this is all about day number 17. It is not much, but these are very important because without these three plugins, your funnel will not be active, or there will be no meaning of the funnel. So we will talk about the ClickFunnels awards. If you are in One Funnel Away challenge, you must have heard many times about this 2 Comma Club award or X award or C award. So we will discuss today what are these awards. So basically, whenever you use ClickFunnels for your business, you use your own funnel, and the revenue you are generating using that funnel will be counted as will be counted in ClickFunnels, and they will recognize you by some awards. So if you are generating a revenue of $1 million, so if you see 1 million, you will have 2 comma and 1 million. When you write 1 million, you will have 2 comma. So that is why it is called 2 comma club award. So anyone who has generated $1 million using that particular funnel or ClickFunnels, they will be awarded as 2 comma club winners. So there are 3 winners for this 2 comma club awards. And now it's the next stage. So after that 2 comma club, there will be 2 comma club X award. So suppose if you are making 10 million using $10 million using the ClickFunnels, you will be awarded as 2 comma club X. And then last we have 2 comma club C award. So C is basically in Roman, C is 100. So if you have made $100 million using that ClickFunnels, you will be awarded as 2 comma club C winner. So this is all about the ClickFunnels Awards. Now we'll talk about the assignment. As we said in the assignment, you need to set up the Strive, you need to set up the SMTP, creating the flagship framework which you have already created. You need to plug in that OTO1, OTO2. So all those information you will get in today's assignment, and you will have a video of each and everything, whatever you need to do. You can definitely go through that. And apart from that, the sales page, OTO page, thank you page, and members here. So for everything, you will have one video in this assignment, and you will also have 2 hours of consultation call. So if you stuck somewhere, you can discuss those things in your consultation call. So this is all about day number 17. I hope you have joined the OFA challenge already. If you have not joined the OFA challenge till now, please go and the link in the description. And if you join using my link, I will give you exciting bonuses, which includes physical copy of 2 books written by Russell Brunson, and you will get my lifetime support or mentorship with respect to OFA. So please go and join the 100 Away challenge, and I'll see you in day number 18. Thank you.